The already walled and gated garage of Calista. Actual unit fully finished turnover. Quality vinyled. That's the stairs. Appliances, furnitures, and interiors na lang kulang paglipat nyo. Our living and dining area. Our kitchen countertop. And for the restroom, tiled. Wall paint is white. And for the setback, mainly for laundry area purpose, and it's up to you kung gusto mo siyang gawing dirty kitchen. Going up, wood steps, hardwood actually, at yung handrail ay steel. 2 rooms po tayo sa second floor. Unahin natin yung second room. Meron po siyang 2 jalousie type windows na larger than the usual, and for our master's bedroom, ayan na po siya, eksakto window view. Thank you.